XRP community, I am deeply sorry. The other day I streamed the entire stream without talking about XRP once. I clickbaited you in the thumbnail by showing you a picture of XRP and having XRP in the title, and I didn't talk about it once. So as an apology and to make it up to you guys, this video is exclusively for you. Coming up. Hello and welcome everybody to the crypto jungle. My name is Baloo, and here on the channel I teach you how to trade and invest in cryptocurrencies. We are a no hype channel. We try to eliminate a lot of the noise that exists inside of this market. You're always going to get the most honest opinion here on this channel. So if you are new, consider subscribing. So in today's video, I want to talk about XRP because I freaking clickbaited you guys. I hate clickbait. And I feel terrible that I had a thumbnail with the XRP symbol in it and I had XRP in the title. I should have went and looked. I should have reviewed the video before posting it on YouTube. And I got a bunch of comments saying, hey, you know, am I crazy here? Did I miss the XRP video? No, you didn't miss it. I didn't do it. So today, this is all about you guys. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the charts here. Usually we touch on Bitcoin and Ethereum, but we are going to skip that and we are going to go straight to XRP. So XRP has been on a bit of a tear. You know, a lot of drama with the whole lawsuit thing. You know, I don't really buy into that stuff too much. I mean, it was the reason for a large decline outside of the sign of strength. So if you're new to the channel, what I do is Wyckoff analysis. I analyze the strength of an asset in terms of supply and demand within a trading range using volume and price action. It's a very simple style of analysis. It takes a little while to learn. It's a little bit more complicated to learn than maybe pattern trading, but your success rate is a lot higher when you get good at this method. So here we just keep it really simple. We have a bottoming pattern. Okay, so I'm just gonna, you know, we have a bottoming pattern. When we have a bottoming pattern, that's usually the accumulation zone. Kudos to anybody who is accumulating XRP sub 20 cents, you know, anywhere 30 to 15 cents was the accumulation zone for this asset. So kudos to any of you that were stacking your XRP in those areas. So we have this accumulation zone. Let me just back it up here and let's throw a trading range on the bottom. So there's a few areas that you want to make note of. You want to go to the initial bottom at the change of character. We're going to draw the range across. We're going to open it up to the automatic rally. You can see as we hit the floor here, boom, we rallied up. That is what's referred to as the automatic rally. So this kind of sets the trading range. XRP spent a lot of time in the lower end of the trading range. It was very undervalued for a very long time. And then we had a crazy rally up to like what, 80 cents? Yeah, we had a huge rally up to 80 cents. And then, you know, the flare launch, the flare airdrop, and then some bearish stuff just crashed us right back down. But, you know, we've now exited the channel and we're looking at this area right here. So I'm going to zoom down to a smaller time frame. Let's go check it out on the 12-hour. And we're trying to find support. So here was the initial rally, sign of strength rally as we left the accumulation zone. This is typically an area where you can start to draw these support slash resistance flips. So I'm going to do that right now with this rectangle shape. And I'll probably go something like this. So I would like to see maybe a double bottom down here, which seems to be somewhere around $1.12, $1.15, with the value zone down at the even dollar. So, you know, I love to find confluence like that where you get this you know, big psychological number. $1 in XRP is a huge psychological level. So if you can get any XRP at sub dollar, I think that you're going to that'll be a very good buy. Whether or not we go there is another story, but typically, you know, you might get some price action that bounces off this level that we've already bounced off of once. So we came down, bounced off this level. We might have to test it again. We might even test it again. The space is pretty bullish. Things are kind of heating up. You know, Bitcoin does have to behave for us to have these types of rallies. But, you know, overall, we're showing strength. We're curling up to the upside. This is what we like to see in these assets as they leave their accumulation range and head up into the markup event. A lot of the OG cryptos are getting a lot of love lately, and XRP doesn't seem to be separated from that. Me personally, I don't hold a ton of XRP. It's just I'm a little bit more interested in what's going on with some of the DeFi plays, some of the Oracle protocols, some of the DEX plays. Stuff like that has me a little bit more excited. I'm also heavily stacked in Ethereum. So cross-border remittance and stuff, you know, I just don't have a ton of exposure to this. But, you know, that's not for me to decide. The market decides what is valuable in this space, and I can be an unbiased technical analyst, and I can tell you that the technicals are looking good. They're looking good. You know, XRP is looking good. Now, I don't know what's going on the fundamental side as in terms of what's going on with the lawsuit, but given the price action, I'm suspecting that there are some players behind the scenes that may already know kind of what's going on with the lawsuit in terms of its viability and whether the SCE really has any control over a cryptocurrency. Ripple Labs, you know, they might have to pay, you know, they might have to do something, but will that actually affect the price of XRP is yet to be determined. You know, there's a lot of Tether FUD out there, or there was a lot of Tether FUD. And then, you know, Bitfinex had to pay a fine. So, you know, the company is separate from the crypto. So XRP is separate from Ripple Labs. So we'll have to see what kind of develops there. If you guys know any, you know, insider information or anything that kind of contributes to the fundamentals of that lawsuit, you know, going well and contributing to the bullish price action in XRP, leave them in the comments section down below. So that's, you know, a really quick video. If we talk about entries, you know, anything below this line, I think would be a good entry. If we continue to, you know, develop price along this level, look for a break above this close right here at $1.40. If we can get a break above and hold it as support, I think that'll be a turnaround point with confirmation right here. If we can break a new high, get a new all-time high, you can scale in at that level as well. You know, the technicals, they're there. I'm not going to ignore what's going on in the technicals. Supply has been exhausted in this asset. There is limited supply available. There is people willing to trade it. There's a lot of demand inside of the market. As long as Bitcoin plays fair, I think that we could have some nice rallies ahead in XRP. So that's all the time I have for today. If you enjoyed this content, please leave it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And if there are any projects that you would like me to take a look at, leave them in the comments section down below. Oh, and before I leave, go ahead and check out thecryptojungle.com. Sign up for VIP. We can help you learn profitable trading strategies, you know, portfolio management, macro stuff to really help you invest and become a better trader, more successful in your trades and investments. And if that's the kind of stuff that tickles your fancy, links down below. Please trade safe. It is a jungle out there. Peace.